This is the white cable which has a green sleeve over here, and the black which you can see is the normal one. So if you come to the main cable, this is the white and this is the black. So I have showed earlier, I have just removed the sleeve and kept it ready. So it's time to remove this, and make sure you take a photo to identify which color and where, because there are very much chances that you may forget or you may miss it out. So I always do this. I take a pic of a soldering or the part, so it will be easy for me. Okay, so it's done. It's time to use a flux and remove the soldering. I have to remove this upper cover, so for that I have to remove the soldering over here. There is one soldering which has been done. I'm going to use the flux. Okay, I've removed the upper part. Now I have to get into shit. Oh, so this capacitor will always have a charge, so thank you so much for watching this, guys. So this is a simple trick where instead of buying a new one, you can repair it by yourself and get your Apple charger ready. So I've just filled the Fevikwik all over here because I've opened it, so it was not getting closed properly. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So I have repaired it by myself. I just spent my half an hour to fix this. You need a cutting combination player, and you need a screwdriver set and a soldering gun, flux, and the soldering lead. So this is the basic item which you look at, but be careful while touching the capacitor. If you have a protective silicone gloves, please do wear silicone gloves and work on it, because you saw I got a shock because the capacitor will have a charge, so I had that shock. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was useful to you. Catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.